Isa siya sa pinakatinitingalang boksingero sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas, ang tinaguriang The Filipino Flash.
Vamos a ver porque cuánto queda. Queda muy poquito para que termine el round. Vamos a ver que le puede salvar la campana. Pierna terror. Ahora sí que es el caos tremendo. Ya no...
Si Nonito Donaire, dating world champion sa 4 na dibisyon, ay muling babalik sa ring ngayong ika-14 ng Hunyo. Sa edad na 42, hindi pa tapos ang kanyang kwento. Lalaban siya kontra sa batang mandirigma mula Chile na si Andres Campos para sa WBA Interim Bantamweight title. Si Donaire ay may kartadang 42 panalo, 8 ang talo, at may 28 knockout, isang patunay sa kanyang knockout power at karanasan sa mahigit 2 dekada sa profesional na boxing. Samantalang si Campos ay may record na 17 panalo, 2 talo, 1 tabla, at may 5 panalo sa knockout. Isang batang leong gutom sa tagumpay at naghahangad ng kanyang kauna-unahang major title. Gaganapin ang sagupaan sa Buenos Aires, Argentina. Isang laban ng karanasan kontra kabataan. Isang patunay na ang tunay na mandirigma hindi sumusuko hanggang dulo. At ngayon, ating balikan ang isa sa mga laban na nagpatingkad sa pangalan ni The Filipino Flash. Ang sagupaan ni Nonito Donaire at Hernan Marquez. Isang gabing hindi malilimutan, kung saan ipinamalas ni Donaire ang kanyang bangis, bilis, at pambihirang knockout power. Dito nagsimulang lumutang ang kanyang pangalan sa pandaigdigang entablado ng boxing. Sa laban na ito, makikita natin kung paano niya tinapos ang laban sa pamamagitan ng kanyang matalas na counterpunch at signature left hook. Isang patunay kung bakit siya itinuring na isa sa pinakamapanganib na boksingero sa kanyang henerasyon. Balikan natin ang bakbakang ito at muling damhin ang init ng ring sa panahong sinimulan ni Donaire ang kanyang alamat.
We saw who takes a very good role in his career. He aimed for himself back in 2007 for that punch. And that was a fight in which there's a gets past Marquez. Marquez goes to the body. Straight left hand by Marquez. Donaire. Left hand landing, followed by a nice stiff right jab. Closing moments of the third round. Ooh, a left flush on the chin by Donaire. These guys are Donaire right now. Left hand, though, has been very effective as a counter from there being lefty. He was a righty. Beautiful uppercut. With the hit a little bit more when he throws. And he's fighting short. A lot of big left hands in this round. He's closed the distance in the best round of the fight, ironically, for Donaire. Has not been as sharp. Control at the out there. I want to mention Ray Colon, also from the Puerto Rico paper, and Marvin Fonseca from the New Natural News Agency. Two of the judges actually had by Donaire. Marquez in trouble trying to hold on. And Donaire nails him with the left hand that puts him down for the first time in the fight. So goes back to fighting. Now that he's a righty. I mean, so right now he is showing why a fighter like Marquez not going to have it. Marquez takes another left hook. Nonito Donaire. Good exchange. Donaire coming in. Oh, and Marquez just give a hand. A double leg takedown. He may be out on his feet. Well, you got to that right. Just jab. Now moving in through the palms. Not going down. Up his butt. Now straight right. Some 0-20, 1-20, 2-20. What's very interesting is that Donaire now does. Interesting how simple. It's not so small. But there's Andre Ward that can That's something that he's trying to add to his repertoire.
Yeah, it's beneficial. Sparred, yes. Sparred will go.
Sometimes they get the feeling from the
And in this round, it's been tough, harder than I thought.
out of banks here in the 7th round. Gets he can move up because he's
In there, Robert Garcia punches with
Tony over in the 5th and immediately 5th round knockdown. He's taking his time. Work tonight.
Donaire's in another mode, though. Donaire is not missing many.
Fight. Left hook, right hand. Oh! A beautiful left uppercut, and it sends Marquez down.
5, 6, 7, 8. ¿Quiere que te den? No. Se acabó, se acabó.
And it's over. That's it.
Ang laban kay Marquez ay nagpapatunay ng talino at lakas ni Nonito Donaire. Isang knockout na nagsimula ng kanyang pag-akyat sa kasikatan at ngayon, mahigit isang dekada matapos ang laban kay Marquez, muli nating matutunghayan ang pagbabalik ng The Filipino Flash. Sa kanyang edad na 42, haharap siya sa batang leong si Andres Campos, isang gutom at ambisyosong challenger mula Chile. Bukas, Hunyo 14, sa Buenos Aires, Argentina, isang bagong yugto ang isusulat. Maitutuloy kaya ni Donaire ang kanyang alamat? O ito na ba ang huling kabanata? Isang sagupaan ng karanasan kontra kabataan. Isang gabi ng pagbabalik. Isang laban para sa karangalan. Abangan ang laban, abangan ang alamat, abangan si Nonito Donaire.